Is this Switzerland? No. Is this Canada? No. Is this New Zealand? No. This is Nepal's best kept secret. I'm going to tell you everything about this wonderland. The beautiful landscape and deafening silence here makes me more quiet as well, as though I don't want to say anything at all for fear of disturbing nature's beautiful song. That a place that can be so magical in the winter even without the snow.
We are hiking to Saipal Base Camp, Amlagarh. It's 7:35.
Must be truly a piece of heaven throughout the year. The rivers are frozen. We see little pieces of ice and snow.
Hey, first impression, natural charming view.
We are heading to Amlagarh, one of the base camp of Saipal Himal.
Population and 93rd largest by size out of approximately 200 countries. It is 3.5 times as big as Switzerland and 7 times as big as Israel. Fact, Nepal is a medium-sized country with an oversized heart. In Nepal, colors are everywhere. Almost 40% of Nepal's area is covered in lush forests, home to our rich biodiversity. The sights, sounds and smells of the woods enveloped us. A walk through the forest gives a sense of peace that few other things can, isn't it? Flowers dot the landscape of Nepal. The most popular endemic varieties being rhododendrons. In these flowers, we saw violet, intense violet, enchanting violet. It reminded us that in Nepal, beauty is everywhere. And I believe that a country crowned by the mighty Himalayas cannot be poor. A country made of beautiful hills with singing waterfalls. A country crisscrossed by life-giving rivers. And a country of passion, flow, gratitude, peace, possibility, beauty and the right perception.
Hey, first impression, natural charming view. Sirra, blowing breeze welcome you, beautiful. Nepal is beautiful, gift in the nature. Unity in diversity, count nature. Attraction